Exceptional will staying again, recommended, so close to Soko and variety place to eat. And Pasar Malam on weekend and every night. Friendly staff, very clean and friendly staff, hugging face. Good for staying. Hotel budget yang best. Lokasi Betul tu strategic. Muda akses dan berdekatan dengan stesen taxi /soko /muas /gulatis. Lorong Belakang Hotel pun banyak gerai kesal yang jual makanan dan muda akses kemudian, Medan selera dbkl Hotel selesa ada kemudahan lift dan amenities lain. Petugas juga ramah melayan pertanian. Saya recommend untuk menginap di sini. Exceptional good service and very helpful staff. Boleh repeat. Hotel Cantik, Portut, Bilik Bersih, Selesa, ada lift, urusan check-in dan check-out juga cepat. Dekat dengan semua kedai makan, belakang ada pasar, tempat shopping pun dekat. Exceptional good facilities, good location and near to Soko shopping mall. Recommended hotel, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. My go-to hotel in Jalantar if you like to stay at area Jalantar. This hotel is the must. Near the Muas, Soko and Pasar Malam. Exceptional good. Good best. Exceptional mom fave playground to stay. Exceptional easy to find local food. Exceptional recommended and near to mall. Mantap Hotel Mantap Paju. Bersih DKT Soko SNG Kari Makan Berbeloy Hargamura dan Selesagayas. Next time stay sini LG Turbake.